इसमें लिपटे हुए तहफ़ को तहखाने में मुंतकिल करना शुरू किया।
He started moving the wrapped gifts to the basement. He started moving the wrapped gifts to the basement.
इन्होंने अपने उस्ताद की बेइज्जती की और सजा दी गई।
They disrespected their teacher and got punished. They disrespected their teacher and got punished.
मीटिंग के दौरान माइक्रोफोन की जरूरत होगी।
The microphone would be needed during the meeting. The microphone would be needed during the meeting.
अगर वो आज काम पर आती तो मैंने देखा होता।
I would have noticed if she came to work today. I would have noticed if she came to work today.
जूते जोर की आवाज से गिरे।
The shoes fell with a loud noise. The shoes fell with a loud noise.
इसके डॉक्टर को एक नए डॉक्टर से तब्दील किया जाएगा।
Her doctor would be replaced with a new doctor. Her doctor would be replaced with a new doctor.
कुत्ते ने अपने मालिक को देखकर रोना छोड़ दिया।
The dog ceased whining after seeing its owner. The dog ceased whining after seeing its owner.
इंजीनियर्स ने ये मंसूबा 1 साल में मुकम्मल किया।
The engineers completed the project in a year. The engineers completed the project in a year.
इन्होंने डिवाइस को नीचे कर दिया।
They powered down the device. They powered down the device.
मैंने कॉल खत्म की और क्लास की तरफ चल दिया।
I ended the call and walked to class. I ended the call and walked to class.